Hello guys, welcome to Code Vedanam. So today we are going to learn about Activity Result Launcher. So as we know that Start Activity for Result is deprecated now, and we have to use Activity Result Launcher. So I will be demonstrate that part using the speech to text. Without wasting much time, let's go for coding now. First of all, we will create the layout. So change this relative layout to linear layout. I will use linear layout compact and give some gravity to center. Now we will add a text view and a button. So first of all, add a text view, wrap content, and that's it. And we have to give a ID. So I am giving this ID as result. Now we will add a button with height and width of wrap content, and we will add text as speak, and for now we will suppress this warning, and I'll give a ID to this button, ID speak, and we have to arrange them vertically. So we will give orientation vertical. So that is the simple UI part, and we will add some margin, bottom margin of 50 dp. So now just move to activity.java part. So in this tutorial I am using view binding. So the view binding will generate a binding class for each layout file. So I do not have to use a find view by ID method every time, and we can access the elements directly using the binding class. So don't worry, I will create a separate lecture on this view binding. Now we will register the activity result launcher. So pass the intent here as type, and give name as launcher. Now call the method register activity for result we have to call. So register activity for result, and in this method there are two attributes. First is the contract, so we have to pass the contract. So contract will be start activity for result, and then we have to add the callback. So new activity result callback. Okay. Now we will add a on-click listener to the button. So binding.speak.set on-click listener, and I will use the lambda notation for the click listener, and we have to create the intent for speech to text. So create the intent, and the recognizer intent dot action speech recognize. Then we have to choose set the language model, put extra recognizer intent dot extra language model, and we will give the language model as free form. So recognizer intent dot language model free form. Now we will add prompt text. So intent dot put extra recognizer intent dot prompt extra prompt, and we will give text here some to be displayed in the dialog. So start speaking. Okay. And now instead of start activity for result, we will call launcher.launch method and pass the intent here. So launcher.launch, and in this method we have to pass the intent. Remember that here is no request code attached with this method, and whenever our activity results, then this callback method is called. So in this we will get the activity result object. From this activity result we can get the result code as well as the result data. So first we have to check the result code. So result dot get result code, if result okay, and we will also check that we have get some result data or not. So get data, and we will check that it is not null. So now in this callback method, in this condition, we will get the data intent. So intent data equal to result dot get data. Now we will get this string which is from the data, and we will assign to this text view. So binding dot result dot set text and data dot get string array list extra, and we have to pass the recognizer intent dot extra results and this is a string array list, so we have to get the 0th item from here, and the 0th item will be assigned to the text view. Okay. So that's all for this tutorial. We have created an activity launcher, and we have used the launch method. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Visit our blog. This is the URL codevedanam.blogspot.com, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Vedanam for further new videos.